What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Full Throttle Josh. Today we're going to continue this project, pull the motor out of the frame, and get things going. So let's dive into it. Come on, I probably should have loosened the fucking tension on that cable. Come on, girl. Oh. And that's it for that. The shifter. Come on, please. Oh.
Oh yeah. This is a good one.
Yes. Next, removing this thing. Done. This one over here. All right, I need your help here, buddy. Hold this right there like that. Just hold it like a man.
You suck my balls, Josh.
Not a woman. Now you're good at doing that.
Suck my fucking balls, Josh.
Come on.
This guy can't even fucking twist, do you? Who do you need? Can't even twist the fucking bowl.
What is this, 13?
Forms are made of muscle, Josh. Yours are made out of shit. What the fuck? Oh, it's rusted. This guy's grip strength is fucking shit.
All right. Fucking 12. This is a 14. Ow. Fucker. Pull it. That's the middle one. Middle. Hold it like that. It's the middle. This is the top. Hey, let go. This is the top. Top, middle. Keep holding it. All right, let go. This is the back top one. Oh, shit. Now what do we have left to remove here? Zip tie. One. Okay, so this, give me that thing.
Jesus.
How is this? This is like, yep. All that's left is this. All right, I need you to hold this here. Like that. All right, hold it.
It's not even resisting.
All right.
I didn't even need to hold it.
Let go.
Nothing happened.
This is gonna be the fun part, trying to get this out.
Yeah, it's probably really in there.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I was trying to tug at it.
All right. This is the fun part. You're gonna have to pick this motor up from here to here and just lift it up a little bit. And I'm gonna have to bang that out. So hold it from there and on this side underneath it here, it's easier. Look, put one hand here. Look, one hand here where my hand is. And then put one hand down here. No diddy. All right, hold it like that. And let me tap it out.
Yeah, we'll fucking do it.
Wiggle it. Dude, what the fuck? Lift it up. No, the motor. Hold the motor up. No, that's not gonna crank. We gotta wiggle this thing around.
Okay.
Lift it from your hand here. Yeah. Oh, son of a bitch. Let's see if that does. Oh, God. Literally at the worst time. That shit's no joke, buddy. Oh, wrong one. I was like, wow, came out like nothing.
Let's see what fucking happens with it. Oh, shit.
Hold it down as I do that. Just hold it.
Just hold it down.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't jump up.
I should have been holding it down the whole time.
Alright, let me see if I can fucking put a sign on there and try to tap it.
There we go.
Is it moving a little bit?
Yeah. There we go. Now it's coming out. Hit that bitch.
Alright.
Let me do it. I feel like you're fucking doing it like a bitch. It's
Hold.
actually coming out.
You can't whack it because then you're gonna fuck up the threads. Yeah, dude. So it has to be very fucking precise. Alright. Drop it down, low. Oh, watch your fucking finger. Put it. You good?
Holy shit, what the fuck just happened?
You could have lost a finger there, buddy.
Yeah, I don't think I want to hold this thing now.
Thank God we had this lube.
Josh, you're gonna shake that shit and it's gonna go right in my eye.
Alright. Fucking shit balls.
Josh, I don't know how you want me to hold this, that it won't drop on your foot, because that's impossible. I'll use my fucking hand. You have to just, I guess, hold it like this. Dude, I don't think there's any amount of ready I can do for this. It's almost out.
All right, lift it up.
I'm scared.
Bro, it's like 60 pounds, not even. You gotta lift, you gotta stand up like a normal man. You're not gonna be able to lift it like that.
Josh, I'm not catching it. You know that, right?
You don't have to catch it.
I don't know what you think I'm trying to do here, but...
Just lift. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Shit. All right. You ready?
What I'm ready for, but...
Just... Come on. It's almost there. Ow, keep holding it.
Come on.
All right.
It's like there. It's
Lift it up and wiggle it.
Oh my fucking god, Josh.
Lift it up. Up and out. Okay, good. Don't move.
I got it.
Do not move. Gotta disconnect this thing.
That was a close one.
Alright. Holy shit. No, don't rip.
Let's get this bike out of the way. I'll lift it.
Hold on. What the fuck?
That would have been a bad day right now.
If the connector fucking shitted on me.
Yeah.
Give me that screwdriver.
And whatever the other shit was. Oh, my bike, I need a new one.
We got it out. That's what counts.
And that guy in the video will be like, sorry, I'm not giving you another thing.
Alright, come on. Dude, help me here.
What's going on? What the fuck? What are you doing?
I gotta fucking disconnect this connector. So put your finger here.
Alright.
When I push down, pull. When I hit. Pull. Holy fuck. Alright guys, we got the fucking motor pulled. Me and my friend Uncle, who doesn't want to be on camera. There it is. Next video, we're splitting this bitch open, replacing the crank, installing the kickstart, installing the big boy, and then we're on the fucking road. Deuces.